Over 1.2 billion Terra Luna Classic token have been born in the last 7 days. The supply continues to reduce every single day. In the last 24 hours, we've had over 130 million Terra Luna Classic token bonds as well. Although if you're paying attention, the momentum is reducing like I've been screaming, and we are currently at minus 44% in the last 24 hours for the trading volume. The trading volume keeps reducing. They initially put out this information a few weeks ago notifying the Terra Luna Classic community and also a lot of other cryptos that they are going to be stopping the deposit and trading for the asset come December 12, 2025, which was yesterday. You can still get Terra Luna Classic token on a lot of exchanges. It's available on crypto.com, HTX, MEXC, KuCoin, Gate.io, BitGet, Bybit, Binance, and a lot of other cryptocurrency exchanges. So it is what it is. There's no cause for alarm. If you're paying attention to the 1 hour time frame for Terra Luna Classic token, we are going to be talking about the Luna token as well, because there's something I just discovered on the Luna token, which I'm going to be bringing you guys up to speed real quick. Any moment from now, I think we should make our way to this lower time frame support around 0.000042 for Terra Luna Classic token. We are currently trading around 0.00044 territory. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Now, if you're paying attention, we have a resistance here, which we talked about in our video yesterday. And I told you guys, from the look of things, Terra Luna Classic just flipped here into a resistance, and we should begin to expect further price move to the downside. That was when we highlighted this lower time frame support here, which are likely to be reversal zones. You understand? If the momentum returns to the market, then we are likely to see a reversal for Terra Luna Classic to the upside, or a reversal for Terra Luna Classic to the upside by the time we get to this territory. So it all depends on the, the volume. For now, the volume is not looking good. We are currently bearish, and if you're even paying attention to the stochastic RSI, we are currently in the oversold territory, which sooner or later we should get a bounce, but we can as well consolidate for a while in this oversold territory. So I'm not totally banking on this indicator, because we can continue to consolidate there while the price dips a little before reversal. But if you're paying attention clearly on the 1 hour time frame, on the lower time frame, the MACD in the stochastic RSI is indicating we should begin to get a reversal to the upside soon for Terra Luna Classic token. And also, let's not forget the RSI. The RSI is now currently below the 50% territory, currently in the oversold territory around 35%. So sooner or later, I think if you want to look for a buy opportunity, this is the zone you should start looking for a potential buy opportunity, which is likely to be this lower time frame support territory. And yeah, so that's that for Terra Luna Classic token. And if you're paying attention as well to Luna token is currently trading around 17 cents. Now, in as much as Terra Luna Classic token is getting hit the hardest, the Luna token, which is the newer version after the crash happened in 2022, and is currently losing momentum as well, according to what the MACD indicator is saying. The MACD line has crossed below the signal line, which is a bearish signal, you get. And if you're paying attention, the MACD histogram has printed bearish signals as well. It's currently bearish. So sooner or later, I think I won't be surprised if we start getting a rejection. I want to bring you guys up to speed, the Luna holders as well, because that was how I brought the Terra Luna Classic holders up to speed when I discovered the momentum was dropping for the token. Now, from the look of things, the momentum is now dropping for Luna token, and a potential reversal zone is likely to be around 15 cents and 10 cents respectively. I think when it gets to 10 cents, we are likely to get a huge bounce from there to the upside. So my potential bidding zone for Luna token will be around the 10 cent zone and the 15-cent territory, but the 15-cent territory is a low probability compared to the 10-cent zone you get. So yeah, that's that for that. So yeah, if you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button if you haven't already. As always, my name is Isaac. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 23%, indicating fear. The market has reversed a lot. You get, yes, last month we were in extreme fear, last week extreme fear, yesterday fear. We've gone back to where we came from, which is now indicating extreme fear. But I'm still very, very hopeful that Q1 2026 is going to be a bullish quarter for altcoins and for crypto market in general. Likewise for Terra Luna Classic token and also for Luna token. So that's what I think, and fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And if you're even paying attention to the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame, you would notice the entire orders market has bottomed. You get, this is the ratio total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptos to BTC, and from the look of things, it has bottomed. The last time we bottomed was in 2017 bull market, when market rallied, and also when quantitative tightening came to an end August 1st 2019, and we rallied from there to the upside massively. Same thing happened. I think same thing is happening here. The same signal just flashed. Quantitative tightening just came to an end December 1st 2025, and this should mark a drastic shift. Very, very soon we should begin to see a parabolic move to the upside for our altcoin bag, both for Terra Luna Classic token and for Luna token. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. As always, peace out.